All right, today we're going to bring our portable pump. If you guys can see, this is very petite. It fits in my palm, my hand pretty much, all right? But it has a lot of power. Now let's talk a little bit more about the features it has. First of all, it has for your power pump, right? It could recharge other devices like your phones. It has your power button, your minus, your plus, your light, because it does have a lamp here, LED light, and then the menu, all right? And this is gonna be the OK button. So right now we're gonna turn it on for the first time. Hold on the power button until you see the lights coming on, and it's gonna tell you how much charge we have available. PSIs, right now we have 36 pounds that we're gonna do, but we could change it down to a car. This is a vehicle, 36. We're gonna change to motorcycle, 45. And then a bicycle, 35. And then a basketball, 8 pounds. And then anything you want to additional setup and save. Now these are pre-setups, but please make sure you check your tire pressure prior to using this, and make sure you're putting the right pressure on the actual tire. Right now, additional stuff that's included with it, of course, the main line that you're going to have the attachments to either your tire or your wheel, accessories too, so that's included. And then of course we got our charging device, type C to type A. So let's use this and see how well it works. We're going to test it out on two different things. Tire, we're going to use our tire. So all you got to do is remove the top tip. All right, it's at 36 right now. I think we're going to lower it down to 32 for now. So look at this, you could change it to 32. So I'm going to be 32. That's pretty much where I want to be. So lock it in place. Once you set it up, hit the power button, all right? Let the pump go. That's 32. So quick. So I was able to, I already put air earlier, so it's at 32 for testing it out. And so we have it 32 automatically. It pumped up, set up. So for tires, it's perfect. All right, we're gonna set up a bicycle because I had flat tire here. So we're gonna turn it on, power on. All right, change the mode. We're gonna do, not again, we're gonna go cycle mode to bicycle. It's too high at 35, so we're gonna go down to, I believe it's 18 on this one. So not quite sure, but if I see a pump, I can always stop it too. So that's another option. Pump it. I'm gonna hold it down. See the pounds going now, and you can stop it anytime you want. And I stopped it because it's a little hard right now. So look at that. So I stopped it manually, even though I don't know the weight and how much pressure it needs, but was able to stop it. Very good. All right, the best part of the device is that you plug in your type A, all right? And if you have the new iPhone or Droid, look at this. You can plug in any device in here. Look at that. It's charging your devices, all right? It's going out. That's what it's telling you how much battery this thing has. So not only as a nightlight, but also as a charging station, an air pump, and so forth. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.